Creating a thank you page in WordPress is straightforward and can be an effective way to engage users after they complete an action, like submitting a form or making a purchase. Here's how to create one. Create a new page. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Pages, Add New. Title the page Thank You. Add content to express gratitude, such as a thank you message, additional links, a call to action like follow us on social media or check your email for confirmation. Design the page. Use the WordPress blog editor to add text, images or videos. For more customization, use a page builder like Elementor. Drag and drop pages to create a visually appealing layout. Ensure the page aligns with your website's design and branding. Publish the page. Once the design is complete, click Publish. Redirect to the thank you page. For form submissions, set the thank you page as the redirect URL in your form plugin settings. For e-commerce, go to Settings, Checkout and customize the thank you page settings.